Hello students, today we will solve the exercise 5.3. Here in first question, find the sum of following APs. In first part, APs are given as 2, 7, 12 and you have to find the sum up to 10 terms. Here you have to find the sum up to 12 terms. Here 100 terms and here 11 terms. Here in first part, A is equal to 2 and common difference D is equal to 7 minus 2, that is equal to 5, and total number of terms n is equal to 10. So here using the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. So substituting the values of a, d and n, we get here 10 by 2 into bracket 2 into a means 2, 2 into 2 plus n means 10, 10 minus 1 into 5. So here you will get 2 5 ja 10 means 5 and into bracket 2 2 ja 4 plus here 10 minus 1 9, 9 5 ja 45. So it is equal to 45 plus 4 49, 5 into 49 will give S10 is equal to 245. In second part, AP is given as minus 37, minus 33, minus 29 here up to 12 terms. So here A equal to minus 37 and D is equal to minus 33 minus 37. So here minus 33 plus 37 will give 4 and n equal to 12. So here Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. So S12, n means 12. So here S12 equal to 12 divided by 2 into bracket 2 into minus 37 plus 12 minus 1 into 4. Here you will get 6 into bracket minus 74 plus 44. 12 minus 1, 11 into 4, 44. So here you will get the answer S12 equal to minus 180. In third part, terms are 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, here up to 100 terms. So here A equal to 0.6, D equal to 1.7 minus 0.6, that is equal to 1.1 and n equal to 100. Substituting the value in this formula, you will get yes 100 equal to 100 divided by 2 into bracket 2 into 0.6 plus 100 minus 1 into 1.1. Here 100 divided by 2 will give 50, 50 into bracket 2 6 are 12 means 1.2 plus here 99 into 1.1 will give 108.9. So here it is equal to 110.1. Multiplying by 50 you will get yes 100 equal to 5505. In fourth part, terms are 1 upon 15, 1 upon 12, 1 upon 10. Here total number of terms are 11. So here A equal to 1 upon 15 and D equal to 1 upon 12 minus 1 upon 15. That is equal to taking here LCM. Here LCM is 60. So here 12 5 ja 60 means 5 minus 15 4 ja 60 minus 4. So you will get here 1 upon 60 and n equal to 11. So using the formula you will get yes 11 equal to 11 upon 2 into 2a means 2 into 1 upon 15 plus 11 minus 1 into 1 upon 60. Here it is equal to 2 upon 15 plus 11 minus 1 means 10, 10 upon 60. So here LCM is also 60. So here you will get 15 4 ja 60 means 4 2 ja 8. Here plus 10. So you will get here 11 upon 2 into 18 upon 60 and simplifying you will get yes 11 equal to 33 upon 20. In question number 2, find the sums given below. First part is 7 plus 10 and half plus 14 plus and so on up to plus 84. Here A equal to 7 and an last term is 84 and D is equal to 10 and half minus 7, that is equal to 7 by 2. So here using the formula an equal to a plus n minus 1 into D. Substituting the value an means 84 is equal to a means 7, 7 plus n minus 1 into 7 and half. So here 84 minus 7 is equal to 7 and half into n minus 1. So here it is 77 and taking the 7 by 2 on left side it will be multiplied by 2 by 7, that is equal to n minus 1. Here 7 1 ja 7, 7 1 ja 7 means 11, 11 into 2 22 equal to n minus 1, that is equal to n equal to 22 plus 1, that is 23. Now Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus an. So here the first term and the last term. So substituting the value, you will get here n means 23 upon 2 into 7 plus 84. An is 84. So it is 23 by 2 into 7 plus 84, that is equal to 91. So here multiplying these two, you will get 2093 divided by 2, and in mixed form it is equal to 1046 and 1 by 2. In second part, 34 plus 32 plus 30 and so on plus 10. Here a equal to 34 and an is equal to 10 and d equal to 32 minus 34, that is equal to minus 2. So here using the formula an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, here 10 is equal to 34 plus n minus 1 into minus 2. So here 10 minus 34 is equal to minus 2 into n minus 1. So here 10 minus 34 will be minus 24, dividing by minus 2, it is equal to n minus 1. So here n equal to, here 24 divided by 2 will be equal to 12. So here n equal to 12 plus 1, that is equal to 13. Now Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an, that is S13. S13 equal to 13 divided by 2 and into bracket 34 plus 10. So it is equal to 13 divided by 2 into 44. So here it will be equal to 13 into 22, that is equal to 286. In third part, minus 5 plus minus 8 plus minus 11 plus and so on plus minus 230. Here first term is a equal to minus 5 and nth term an is equal to minus 230 and d is equal to minus 8 minus 5, that is equal to minus 8 plus 5 equal to minus 3. So here using formula for nth term, an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, here it is equal to minus 230 equal to minus 5 plus n minus 1 into minus 3. On simplifying here also minus 230 plus 5 equal to minus 3 into n minus 1. So here dividing by minus 3, so here you will get minus 225 divided by minus 3, that is equal to 75. So here 75 equal to n minus 1, so n equal to 75 plus 1, that is equal to 76. Now Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus an, that is equal to 76 by 2 into minus 5 plus minus 230. So here it is equal to minus 235. Here 76 divided by 2 will give 38. 38 into this will give minus 8930. Now in question 3, in an AP, first part is given a equal to 5, d equal to 3, an equal to 50, find n and Sn. So here using the formula for an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 50 equal to 5 plus n minus 1 into 3. So here 50 minus 5 is equal to n minus 1 into 3. Now 55 minus 5 is equal to 45 and dividing by 3 is equal to n minus 1. So here it is equal to 15. 45 divided by 3 is 15. So n is equal to 15 plus 1, that is equal to 16. Now Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus an. So here 16 upon 2 into bracket 5 plus 50. So here it is equal to 8 into 55, that is equal to 440. Now in second part, given a equal to 7, a 13 equal to 35, find d and S13. So here using the formula for an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So a13 is equal to 7 plus 13 minus 1 into d. So here it will be equal to 7 plus 12d and a13 is given as 35. So here 35 minus 7 is equal to 12d. Now d is equal to, here 35 minus 7 is equal to 28, 28 divided by 12. So simplifying, here d equal to 7 by 3, means 4 3 ja 4 7 ja. Now Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus an. So S13 equal to 13 by 2 into 7 plus 35, that is equal to 13 by 2 into 42. Dividing here by 2, you will get here 21. So 21 into 13 will give 273. Now in third part, given A12 equal to 37, D equal to 3. Here find A and S12. Using the formula of nth term, an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d means a12 equal to a plus 12 minus 1 into 3. So here a12 is 37. So 37 equal to a plus 12 minus 1 means 11. 11 into 3 is 33. So here a is equal to 37 minus 33. That is equal to 4. Now Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. That is equal to 12 by, here S12 means n equal to 12. So here 12 by 2 into bracket 4 plus 37. Here 2 6 are 12. So 6 into 34 plus 37 plus 4 equal to 41. So it is 6 into 41, that is equal to 246. Now in fourth part, given A3 equal to 15, S10 equal to 125, find D and A10. So here also using formula an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So here a3 is equal to a plus 3 minus 1 into d. So here a plus 3 minus 1 means 2. A plus 2d equal to a3 is given 15. So a plus 2d equal to 15. It is equation number 1. Now using the formula for Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here S10 is equal to 10 by 2 into 2a plus 10 minus 1 into d. That is here S10 is 125. So here 125 and here it is 5. 10 divided by 2 will give 5. So here taking on the left hand side it will be divided by 5. So 125 divided by 5 is equal to 2a plus 9d. So here 2a plus 9d is equal to 25. Now it is equation number 2. So here equation number 2 minus 2 times equation number 1. Because here is 2a, here is simply a. So here you have to multiply by 2. So equation 2 minus 2 times equation 1 will give 2a plus 9d minus here 2a plus 4d. Means 2a into a plus 2d. So here that is equal to 25 minus 2 into 15, that is 30. Here 2a is cancelled out. Here 9d minus 4d will give 5d. So here 5d equal to 25 minus 30 means minus 5. So here d equal to minus 5 by 5, that is equal to minus 1. Now from equation 1, a plus 2d means 2 into minus 1 equal to 15. So here a equal to 15. Here minus 2 on right hand side will be plus 2. So it is 15 plus 2, that is equal to 17. So here a equal to 17. Since an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, hence a10 is equal to 17 plus 10 minus 1 into minus 1. That is here equal to 17. Here minus 9. 9 into minus 1, that is minus 9. 17 minus 9 will give 8. So a10 is 8. Now in fifth part, given d equal to 5, s9 equal to 75, find a and a9. Now using the formula for Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Hence S9 is equal to 9 by 2 into 2a plus 9 minus 1 into d 5. So here 9 minus 1 means 8. 8 into 5 will give 40. So here 2a plus 40. Now 75 is equal to 9 by 2. Here 2 is the common. So here into 2 into bracket a plus 20. Now dividing by 9 on both sides, you will get 75 divided by 9, that is equal to a plus 20. Here both numerator and denominator are divided by 3. We will give 25 upon 3. So here a equal to 25 upon 3 minus 20. So it is equal to 25 minus 60 divided by 3. 3 is the LCM. So here a equal to minus 35 by 3. Now using an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, a9 is equal to minus 35 by 3 plus 9 minus 1 into 5. So here it is equal to minus 35 by 3 plus 9 minus 1, 8. 8 into 5, 40. So simplifying it, you will get here minus 35 plus 120. 43 is 120 divided by 3. So it is equal to an equal to 85 by 3. Now in sixth part, given a equal to 2, d equal to 8, Sn equal to 90, find n and an. using formula for Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, which is equal to Sn 90 equal to n by 2 into 2a, 2 into 2 plus n minus 1 into 8. So here it is equal to n by 2 into 4 plus 8n minus 8. So here simplifying it will be equal to 8n minus 4. Now taking 2 as common, so it will be equal to n by 2 into 2 into bracket 4n minus 2. 2 is cancelled out here. Now here taking 2 again common, so it will be 2n into bracket 2n minus 1, and dividing by 2 on both sides, it will be 90 divided by 2, here also divided by 2. 2 here is cancelled out. Here 90 divided by 2 will give 45. So multiplying n into 2n minus 1 will give 2n square minus n. 2n square minus n, and taking 45 on the right hand side will be minus 45. So it is equal to 0. Now it is a quadratic equation. So here you have to factorize this. For factorization, you have to break the middle terms in the factor of 2 and 45. So here it will be 2n square minus 10n plus 9n minus 45 equal to 0, because 45 into 2 will give 90, and 90 factor are 10 and 9. So it is the factor. Now taking 2 common in first two terms, you will get here 2n into n minus 5. Here 9 common in last two terms will give 9 into n minus 5. So here taking n minus 5 common in whole that expression, you will get n minus 5 into 2n plus 9, that is equal to 0. So because the factors, two factors are multiplied here will give 0. So here any one factor will be 0. So if n minus 5 is equal to 0, you will get n equal to 5. Or 2n plus 9 is equal to 0, you will get here n equal to minus 9 by 5 and minus 9 by 2. Because here n is negative and n cannot be negative because n is a natural number. So here this value of n is not possible. So n equal to 5 is possible. Now an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, that is equal to 2 plus 5 minus 1 into 8, that is equal to 2 plus 5 minus 1, 4 into 8, 32. 32 plus 2, that is equal to 34. So an equal to 34. Now in seventh part, given a equal to 8, an equal to 62, sn equal to 210, find n and d. Here using formula for sn equal to n by 2 into a plus an, because here a and an both are given. So here 210 is equal to n by 2 into 8 plus 62, and here n by 2 into 62 plus 8 is 70. So here dividing by 2 it will give 35, and so 210 is equal to 35 into n. So n is equal to 210 divided by 35. On dividing it you will get 6. So n equal to 6. Now an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, and an is given as 62, which is equal to 8 plus 6 minus 1 into d. So here taking 8 on the left hand side, it will be 62 minus 8, that is equal to 5d. So d is equal to 54 divided by 5. Now in eighth part, given an equal to 4, d equal to 2, sn equal to minus 14, find n and a. Here using formula for n equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So here an is 4, that is equal to a plus n minus 1 into 2. And here it will be equal to a plus 2n minus 2. So here taking 2 on the left hand side, it will be equal to 4 plus 2 equal to a plus 2n. Hence a will be equal to, here 4 plus 2 is 6 minus 2n. So a equal to 6 minus 2n. It is equation number 1. Now for sn equal to n by 2 into a plus an. So here sn is given minus 14 is equal to n by 2 into a is here 6 minus 2n plus an is 4. Here we have used equation number 1. So here it is equal to n by 2 into 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 minus 2n. Here taking 2 as common, you will get here n by 2 into 2 and into bracket 5 minus n. 2 each cancelled out. So here minus 14 is equal to 5n minus n square. Taking all the terms on left hand side, here minus n square will be plus n square. Here 5n will be minus 5n and minus 14 is equal to 0. So here also we split the middle terms as the factor of 14. So here it will be equal to n square minus 7n plus 2n minus 14 equal to 0. So grouping two terms in one, here taking the common n in first two term, you will get n into n minus 7, and here taking common 2 in last two terms, you will get 2 into bracket n minus 7. So it is equal to n minus 7 into n plus 2 equal to 0. Now the multiplication of two factors are 0, so here any factor will be 0. So here n minus 7 is equal to 0, then you will get n equal to 7, or if it is equal to 0, so here you will get n equal to minus 2. But negative value of n cannot be possible. So here it is negative, so it cannot be negative. Now n equal to 7 is possible, so it is the value of n. Now from 1, a equal to 6 minus 2 into 7, that is equal to 6 minus 14, which is equal to minus 8. So a equal to minus 8. Now in ninth part, given a equal to 3, n equal to 8, s equal to 192, find d. So here using the formula for Sn, you will get Sn is 192, that is equal to n means 8, 8 divided by 2 into bracket 2 into a means 3 plus 8 minus 1 into d. So on simplifying here, 2 4 ja 8, 4 is on the left hand side will divide the 192. So 192 divided by 4 is equal to 6 plus 7d. So here it will be 48, and taking 6 on left hand side will be minus 6, that is equal to 7d. So here d equal to 48 minus 6 is 42 divided by 7, that is equal to 6. So value of d is 6. Now in 10th part, given L equal to 28, S equal to 144, and there total 9 terms. So find A. Now using Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus L. L means last term. So here 144 equal to 9 by 2 into a plus 28. So here taking 9 by 2 on the left hand side will be multiplied by 2 by 9. That is equal to a plus 28. Here 9 divide the 144, a quotient will be 16. 16 into 2 will give 32. 32 equal to a plus 28. So a equal to 32 minus 28, that is equal to 4. So here we have completed the question number 1, 2, 3 of exercise 5.3. Now we will solve the other questions in next video.